Hello everyone. For today's episode, we're going to make coconut macaroons. For this recipe, I'm going to use my stand mixer. Now, if you don't have stand mixer, you can use your mighty arms. Now, let's cream this butter and sugar. Once you are satisfied with the texture of your cream butter, add 4 eggs. Make sure you add eggs one at a time. Mix the eggs in medium to low speed. I'm gonna stop the machine for now, as I need to scrape the sides and the whisk so that all the ingredients will be mixed well. Now that I'm done scraping, I'm gonna turn it again and then let it mix until the mixture is smooth. Now that I'm satisfied with the smoothness of the texture, I'm gonna add 1 can of condensed milk. I didn't mean to block the camera. I'm just scraping the condensed milk out of the can because of inflation. I'm gonna fast forward from this section so that you guys will not get dizzy and get bored. So now the texture is smoother than ever. We're gonna add 4 cups of desiccated coconut and 1 cup of flour. I'm gonna let this stir until all the ingredients are mixed well. This should be okay now. Let's stop this and scrape the whisk. I'm gonna scrape off as much as possible because of inflation. This is what it should look like once all the ingredients are mixed. Now let's prepare our baking pans. I have here the mini cupcake baking pans. Let's grease it generously. Then add the batter to each cupcake sections. Then let's put it in the oven and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the baking is done. Let's remove it from the oven and let it sit for a while to cool down. Once it's ready, serve and enjoy.